Hello, welcome back to my channel. So we are done this time. We are ready. So I've already done my hair. Yeah, we've carried this point. I've put in the effort. I have worked.
Massaging it into my hair next to going in with the moisturizer by Soft and Thue. My coils needed all the moisture they could get at this point. Go ahead and make sure every single strand gets some next to going with the Soulmate African Herbal Hair Food Sealant. Massaging that end to lock in the moisture. Tail point comb to get a line as straight as possible. My hair in 2-4 sessions so that I can braid it to stretch out my hair. Stretch method done. Team head wrap. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap these babies up and go to bed. The next morning we're going in with the same process, oil moisturizing spray. Next we're going in with the moisturizer, and then we're going in with the Black Like Me Step 1 Softening Styling Gel. And we're finally ready to go in with the curling rods. So I session the part of hair curling into 2 sessions, and then I curl them onto 1 curling rod. I'm going ahead and just repeating the process so you guys could get a better look of it. Another close-up of how I curled my hair onto the curling rod. Setting the net it is. Now we're going in with some setting spray so this hairstyle doesn't go in vain, and we're also going in with the hair dryer so that it dries up properly and sets. Baby, go get ready. And we are back now. We are removing the curling rods so we could style this hair. I'm just going ahead and detangling the curls so they are looser curls. I mean, just look at the curls. I do not even have to style it at this point. What? Do go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you can find out how I keep my skin this flawless. Let us go ahead and get into styling. So I'll be using the tail comb and my edge brush for styling. Now just gonna go ahead and comb my hair close to the base just to give the hair some volume, and we're gonna go in with a got to be glued for the edges so they stay laid and slicked. If this is not giving you life, then I do not know what will give you life. But anyways, I'm just going ahead and loosening the curls, the curl parts that I didn't loosen up, just so that we have more curls and it's puppier. Would you not feel amazing with such a hairstyle? So we did the things. We got the salon look without the salon price. You know what it is. And that is it for styling